All right, this is code.org. What do we have? Challenge A. The problem. Work to diligently represent this image using sampling. Reference your activity guide. Yes, so definitely you should have your activity guide. If you're my student, we've already picked it up, so you should have it in your possession or have gotten it digitally. All right, so nothing's here yet, well, at all. And so this did say challenge A when we load it up. Let's real quick refer to that guide, right? Challenge A, here's the activity guide. And this is what they had shown us. So we're going to try to complete this swan, but using just this amount of pixels, right? When finished sampling, reflect on the following. How many total bits were needed? How long did it take to build? How much does the digital image represent this one? So they're acknowledging right now it's not going to be perfect because we're using this many squares to create the image. How many squares? Well, it looks like the width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the height will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's do that. 5, 8. Oh, it's actually 6. Always double check. All right, so now how can we do this? Well, I want to represent that image. It looks like the first square is blank, so that's a 1, remember? And then it's kind of up to us, right? So it does have a portion of the neck here. How much do we want to put in? Since it's not more than half the square, I'm going to try 1, so leaving that white, and maybe I'll change my mind. I'm going to do a 0 and a 0 and a 1. And so my judgment, again, is what I'm doing, and you could do something differently, is if it's half the square, I'm making it that color. White is more than half the square, so I'm putting in a 1 right there, and then a 1 and a 1. Now let me go to this next one. The majority of that square is white. The majority of that square is black. In fact, let me half my screen. There we go, that's better. So the majority of this square is black, and then that is majority white. Oh, this one's difficult. For the head, I want to make sure to get that in. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say that's majority black. It's close. It's probably majority white. 0, 0, 1. Because I need something that resembles the head. Okay, so this first square right here, majority black. Oops. And then I'll say majority white, 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 white. All right. Now this line, I'll say black, black, white, white, black, black. Okay, this line's going to be, we'll do all black with the last one, I think. And again, yours might vary a little bit. It's somewhat up to interpretation. This is not going to look like a swan at all. So I'll do just the center 4 is black. Okay. Oops, I switched this. Right, so I need to switch that up. It should be 0 for black, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. There we are. And now I'm on to the legs, kind of. Yikes. So I'll do 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Ah, I flipped it again. I'll do 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. And then the bottom part. Oh, how do I represent feet? If I do the same, it's not going to look like feet at all, but let's see. If I want it to look like feet, maybe do... Sure. So obviously, this doesn't look, right, like that swan at all. And it's difficult. It's difficult to get this type of image with less pixels. There's less data being transmitted, and the less data you allow for transmission, the more compressed and the more obscure, I guess, the more distorted something will become. But, all right, I'm going to pretend like that's good, and let's keep going.